The Damson plum is a small, deciduous fruit tree belonging to the Rosaceae family, closely related to other plums and cherries. It is renowned for its deep purple, almost black, small oval fruits that have a tart flavor, making them ideal for preserves, jams, and culinary uses rather than fresh consumption. The plant has a rich history, believed to have been introduced to Europe from the Middle East and Central Asia, and it is cultivated in temperate regions worldwide. Damson plums are valued not only for their fruits but also for their ornamental appeal and their resilience to challenging growing conditions. Physical characteristics. The Damson plum tree is typically compact, reaching 3 to 6 meters in height, with a rounded or slightly spreading crown. Its leaves are simple, alternately arranged, and ovate with serrated edges, usually green in summer and turning yellow in autumn. The bark is grayish-brown, developing fissures as the tree matures. One notable feature is the flowers, small, white or pinkish blossoms that appear in early spring, often before the leaves fully emerge. These flowers attract pollinators such as bees, which are crucial for fruit production. The fruits themselves are small, generally 2 to 3 centimeters in diameter, with a smooth, glossy skin and a firm flesh that clings to a single, elongated stone. The color ranges from deep purple to bluish-black when fully ripe, and the flesh is yellow-green and highly aromatic. Damson plums are known for their distinctive tartness and concentrated flavor, which sets them apart from sweeter plum varieties. Growing conditions. Damson plum plants are hardy and adaptable, thriving in temperate climates with cold winters and warm summers. They prefer well-drained loamy soils with a neutral to slightly acidic pH but can tolerate poorer soils better than many other plum varieties. They require full sun to produce optimal fruit, though they can grow in partially shaded areas. Unlike some other plum trees, Damson plums are relatively disease-resistant, particularly against plum scab and black knot, making them low maintenance for home gardeners. Propagation is usually achieved through grafting onto rootstocks or by using seeds, although grafting is preferred for maintaining the fruit's quality. Damson plums often require cross-pollination with another compatible plum variety to achieve a good fruit set, although some cultivars are partially self-fertile. Fruit production and harvest. The Damson plum is typically harvested in late summer or early autumn, depending on the local climate. The fruit ripens unevenly, so careful monitoring is essential. Harvested fruits have a high sugar content despite their tartness, making them ideal for jams, jellies, wines, and liqueurs. Damson plums are less commonly eaten fresh due to their tartness and small size, but they are highly prized in traditional recipes across Europe. Once harvested, Damson plums can be stored for short periods under refrigeration, or processed into preserves that can last for months. The fruit's strong flavor and pectin content make it excellent for culinary purposes, particularly in baking and sauces. Environmental and cultural significance. Damson plum trees are not only valued for fruit production but also for their ecological and ornamental benefits. Their early spring blossoms provide food for pollinators, and their dense branching offers shelter for birds. Historically, the Damson plum has been cultivated in Europe for centuries, particularly in England, Germany, and France, where it became a staple in rural gardens and farms. Its resilience and reliability have made it a symbol of sustainable horticulture in temperate regions. Conclusion. In summary, the Damson plum is a versatile, hardy, and historically significant plant. Its compact growth habit, ornamental flowers, and small but flavorful fruits make it suitable for both gardens and commercial cultivation. While it is not typically consumed fresh due to its tartness, its high pectin content and unique flavor have ensured its continued popularity in jams, preserves, and liqueurs. With minimal maintenance requirements and a long cultivation history, the Damson plum remains a beloved fruit tree for gardeners and culinary enthusiasts alike.